Welcome guys. If you want to get this iOS launcher on your Xiaomi Redmi Note 9 Pro, right now I'm going to show you how to get it. So for the first, we are going to delete this application. So click, hold, and just tap on the delete button. And right now we are also going for the Play Store. And right here in the search pool, you have to type iOS launcher and then download this one from the Lutin developer. Click on it, tap on the install. And right now we have to wait a little bit. Okay, right now we can open this application, so click right here. Then you have to tap on the allow a few times and go for the control center. Turn off this ad in the right upper corner and click on the home button. Click on the remember my choice and select the iOS launcher. Click on the we got it. And as you can see, our launcher has changed. And I hope that'll help you guys. If I do, leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel.